Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to add attachments to tasks from Dropbox in Asana, a critical skill for efficient project management. Firstly, log into your Asana account. If you're not using Asana yet, it's an amazing tool that helps keep your work organized and ensure you meet your deadlines. Once you're logged in, navigate to the task where you want to add an attachment. Now that we've done that, locate the Attachments section, usually found on the right-hand side of your task details. Click on the paperclip icon. The reason we do this is to open up the options for the types of files you can attach. Next up, select the From Dropbox option. This opens up a new window where you can access your Dropbox files. Remember to have your Dropbox account logged in too for a seamless transfer process. This helps us because it makes file sharing between these two platforms convenient and efficient. Browse your Dropbox folders and select the file you want to attach. Click on Choose to confirm your selection. Let me explain why this matters. Having the right attachment in your tasks is essential to give context or provide resources related to the task. Once the file is chosen, it automatically gets attached to your task in Asana. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is integrating with Dropbox, fetching your selected file and attaching it to your chosen task. Lastly, click on the Comment button to post the attachment. The file will then appear in the task's comment section. This final step is important because it makes your attachment visible to everyone who has access to the task, keeping everyone on the same page. And there you have it. You've successfully added an attachment from Dropbox to your tasks in Asana. This will massively boost your team's productivity and efficiency, as all relevant files can be accessed directly from the task. Remember, clear communication and easy accessibility to resources are the keys to successful project management. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep your tasks organized and your team informed.